friends! Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the scanning method on Android. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. Step 1. First, unlock your Nothing phone. Open the Settings app to find the Home Settings menu. Step 2. Now, scroll down and choose the Accessibility option on the screen. This menu contains additional options for customizing your accessibility features. Step 3. Next, scroll down to locate the Switch Access option. Tap on it. Step 4. Now scroll down to locate the Settings option. Tap on it. Step 5. Next, scroll down to locate the Scanning Method option. Tap on it. See the three options. The first option is linear scanning, except keyboard. The second option is row-column scanning, or the third option is group selection, advanced. Step 6. For the last and most important step, choose the one best for you and change the scanning method instantly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.